conduct regional meet, and we would like everybody to know that the name of the meet is 2026 Dabraa Meet. Hindi po Dabraa Meet 2026 or Dabraa 2026 Meet. It's 2026 Dabraa Meet. The hosts remains to be Davao del Norte and Tagum City. So that's going to be February 22 to 28. And the actual games 23 to 28. Closing program February 28 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Meeting quarters, we have mga schools gyapon 13 ka visiting quarters. Then number of athletes 5,963. Number of athletes. Number of coaches 1,108. Number of chaperones 235. Number of delegation officials and committees 1,802. Total sa 2026 Dabraa Meet is 9,108. 9,108. We have new sporting events for the Dabraa in preparation for the Palarong Pambansa. No? These games will be seeing action already in the Palarong Pambansa. We now have weightlifting. Weightlifting for and participated in by Davao City, Davao de Oro, Davao del Norte, Digos City, Igacos, Mati City, and Tagum City. Ito lang yung mga schools division offices na mag-participate sa weightlifting. Another addition is football secondary girls. Football secondary girls. There will be 4 divisions that will participate. We have Davao City, Davao de Oro, Davao del Norte. Then, Tagum City will also be representing. Then another one, additional, Futsal Elementary. Futsal Elementary. Dati kasi wala ito. First time itong tatlo ngayon ha. We have Davao City, Davao de Oro, Davao del Norte, and Davao del Sur, and Tagum City. So this will be the games that will be seeing action, and we're hoping that we can get the best core of athletes that will represent us in the Palarong Pambansa. We target rank number 2 in the Palarong Pambansa 2026. Please help us achieve that through your prayers.
Last year, ano gani, sir?
We are ranked number 4.
Okay, so we are targeting.
And
your
we
goal
remain to be the strongest region in Mindanao. Davao Region, Region 11. So, gusto na mong ma-maintain ka na, and then gusto na tong i-up pa na 2 notches higher ito ang standing sa Palarong Pambansa by getting that, acquiring that rank number 2.
Davao City will be fielding how many athletes?
In the Palaro?
Yeah, no, Dabraa first, opo.
In the Dabraa, Davao City will have 642. Davao de Oro will have 610. Davao del Norte will have 644. Davao del Sur, 593 athletes. Davao Occidental, 520. Davao Oriental, 510. Digos, 380. Igacos, 350. Mati City, 550. Panabo City, 526. Tagum City, 638.
All games will be played in Davnor, good.
All games will be at Davnor.
The same kay para sa tuwa, dili naman bago ang Dabraa every year. Murag consistent naman ta, murag 3 years na ta nga nag-accept dirihimon sa Davao del Norte ang Dabraa. So ang atong preparation is dili na ta bago para sa tuwa. So karong palandaan andam na ang province of Davao del Norte with the collaboration of DepEd, Region 11 and province of Davao del Norte o sa tanan nga mga provinces, mga provincial governors o sa tanan nga involved sa maong Dabra activity.